Duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl+J on the keyboard. Pixelate the duplicate layer. Go to Filter menu at the top of the screen, choose Pixelate, and then choose Mosaic. Drag the slider bar at the bottom to change the cell size option, which increases or decreases the number and size of pixels that are created from the image. I'm going to set my cell size to 20. Now click OK. Add a layer mask. To do that, with Layer 1 selected, click on the layer mask icon at the bottom of the Layers palette. Reset your foreground and background colors if needed. We want black as our foreground color and white as our background color. Select the gradient tool. You can easily select it by pressing G on your keyboard. Select the foreground to background gradient. The gradient picker will appear below it. Now, select the brush tool by pressing B for the keyboard shortcut. Paint with black to reveal parts of the image. If you painted on an area by mistake, simply delete the layer mask and apply it again. You can also go to Window, History, and go back a few steps. And you're done!